Hilal. Let's play. Let's play. Oh, face painting. Diyan dito. Later na, later na Johnny.
Mommy, look at me. Look at
Oh, mga dalagan na, oh. Pakilala tayo kasi meron tayo mga malalaking bata. Diba?
Gusto natin ito, guys?
Ate, Ielda.
Okay lang.
Pakilala tayo.
Okay, huwag ka nang ano. BL.
Welcome, BL. Next. Sunod. Next. Pangalan mo? AA. Minutes mo kayo sa system siya ba sa ano mo? Ay, sunod si Hana. Next is John. Palakpakan si John.
What's your name daw, Johnny? What's your name? What's your name?
John, Captain America. Okay, next. Next, ang pangalan mo. Bakit pala kita siya? And next, meron tayong bagong friends. Bago ba sila, no? Matagal na sila, no? Pero dito sa PSU, bago yata sila. So, welcome sa PSU dito sa Mcdonald's Damo. And, anong pangalan mo ulit?
Kyrie.
Kyrie. Kung mayaman ang pangalan. Okay, Kyrie! Next! Pangalan mo. So, ako isang tatandaan kasi magkalapit sa ice. Okay, welcome dito sa birthday ni Diana at salamat sa inyong pagpunta. Walang problema na ano, tayo lahat.
Stand up.
Iya! Tayo, get up. Ito nga, ice cream. I will give ice cream. Tapos, sige na ako. Smile kay Daddy. Smile kay Daddy. Johnny. Smile, 1, 2, 3, cheese! Okay, let's go. Madalang mas.
Oh, Johnny, you get your mask. Okay.
Closer lang ka, closer.
Smile, smile. 1, 2, 3, cheese!
Cheese. Okay. Finish. Oh, okay na, okay na.
Okay lang. Yan. Ulit. Smile. Yes, guys. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, okay na, kanina pa. Okay na.
Okay na po. So ngayon, bago tayo mas-proceed sa mga adult, oh, Ziyad, gusto mo sa akin laro? Ziyad, malaro tayo. Bigyan ka ng ice cream. Ice cream chocolate. Ice cream with cheese.
Oh, Ate Unique. Ate Unique. Go there, Ate Unique. Come on, go there. Oh, you choose your mask. Come on. Mami, bigyan mo siya ng mask.
Hello, welcome.
Parang baliktad. Okay na, go there. Yay!
Dito na lang, ma'am. Okay, ulit. Okay, smile again.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Smile, cheers!
Okay na. Okay na.
Sige. Ngayon po, balik lang muna tayo sa mga bata. At kasunod po ng mga bata ay yung mga bisita natin. Salamat sila. And kami, ang una natin palaro is may bago dito. Ang gagawin kong palaro is yung McDonald's Chicken Burger. Okay. Pag sinabi ko McDonald's, ay kamay sa taas, ay ulo, chicken, sa balikat, at burger, sa bewang. Okay, at kapag kayo ay nanalo, ay bibigyan ko ng ice cream, at siyempre meron pang gift galing kay Ma'am Joy. Okay. Are you ready?
Ipa.
Now, Ice, are you ready? Yes. Kyle, are you ready? John, ready? Yan, ano pa tayo sa pala? Unique, okay. Unique. Ulit yung ka. Pag sinabi kong Mac, ilagay ang kamay na taas. Pag sinabi kong chicken, balikat, at burger, sa bewang. Okay. Okay.
Parang English speaking sila lahat.
Ready up? Oh, no. Not yet, okay. So wala kang ice cream.
No!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, Mac! Chicken! Burger! Mac! John! Nasaan ka? Okay, ulit. Ano pala yun? Trial pala.
John, Mac, John,
Oh,
Mac,
daming
put your
gift,
hands
oh.
here.
Daming gift sa kamay cake pa. Naku, hindi ka makain ng cake kung hindi ka manalo.
Mac, here.
Burger! Okay, 1, 2, 3, Mac!
Gaya ka na ng gaya.
Bigyan mo sila space.
Kasi sabi mo kasi no, ang tuloy.
Space muna tayo.
Give us space, give us space. Pagkatamutan.
Yung last na tuhon lang wala nang second chance. 1, 2, 3, Mac! Burger! Burger!
Oh, sit down na lang, sit down.
Ano nga yun yung birthday?
Okay, 1, 2,
Sit down.
Sit down.
Alright.
Only this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, mark! Chicken! Burger! Burger! Okay, thank you. Kyle. Sit down, Kyle. Apat na lang. 1, 2, 3, mark! Mark! Si Kyle, saka
Si Ice.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, hands down. Hands down. 1, 2, 3. Mark! Chicken! Chicken! Burger! Burger!
Galing natin yun, Nico.
Space.
Galing natin yun, Nico.
Okay, pag lahat pa rin tama, bigyan na ng chance. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Chicken! Chicken, ha? Don't laugh! Don't laugh, liquor. Last time! 1, 2, 3, bring it! Okay, and you win!
Hannah!
Kaya nanalo ko, sabi ko ng burger. Ayan, wag tayo na sa school. Okay, parang... Hindi ka luto na. Hindi ka luto na. Pero pa tayo mga sa pala.
Hindi paningot.
Okay, next game! Next game, right? I will make practice to
Competitive ba kayo ni Hannah? Competitive kayo ni Hannah. Okay, form a circle.
Want you to feel the way I feel.
Very easy game.
You got me in a
You know? Okay, I will beat you on this game. Okay, I will play music.
Yeah, that's...
Balloon! Balloon with music! Okay, if I play the music, you have to pass the balloon. We have to pass the balloon. Okay? So we start the music.
You're the spark to play. It's fire. Holes inside my brain. Feel the fire. Keep the melters down again. Now it's pouring through my veins. But I said
You just have to pass the balloon, okay?
it's fire.
Oh, trial.
To change my fate. Yeah, please.
Pass the balloon.
Now you know. Now you know. Okay. Still no. Then say like this. You did not accept the balloon. You take the balloon and you next. balloons.
It's okay, It's okay.
It's okay, Tiana.
Thank you so much. Ito mo na tayo bukang Okay, go!
Johnny, Johnny.
Talagang sa'yo ang araw ngayon, Johnny. Sit down, Johnny. Oh my God, all English is what? Oh my God, I did not expect. Okay, no problem. That's my game. Okay, brothers, right? Okay, now, so you have to make balloons and turn around. Then give, huh? Select your food. Okay, thank you. Where's your daddy? Dada. Okay, picture, ma'am.
Picture na, Daddy.
Yan, hindi na ano, play.
Gusto pa laro? Ay, sorry. You want another game?
Gusto nilang sumayaw ng ano.
Stand up. Okay, we're down. You want hard game?
That is not hard job.
It's hard for
Ano yung split ako? Come here. This one is very hard. No, you want hard things? Oh, come here, come here.
Yep, I know this.
You know this game?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Trip to McDonald's.
This one is trip to McDonald's. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. Okay, Pearl, circle here. Circle.
John, you know that game? Do you know that?
No, you have to circle.
Okay, it's time to go!
When music stop.
Yay! Ay, sando. Nakasimula lang din.
Remove one chair. Remove one chair. Stand up. Thank you! Thank you!
Yay! Good job, Johnny!
Before, right? Thank you, Hannah. Okay, so stand up. Stand up. It's okay.
Very good kuya siya. Ano,
Papaya siya.
nag-break. It's okay, John.
Si John papayag yung ano, okay, ha? Go!
Yeah.
Sit down! Nagkaka-heart din pala yung laro. Oh, no. Babalikin na lang.
Bigyan mo ng isang chair.
It's okay, okay. The last one, ha? Last one.
Sige, sige.
Don't touch the chair, ha?
Don't touch na si ate.
No touches.
Salumpupet. Salumpupet.
Okay, the circle, okay. Okay, then last, if I say what color of chair, you have to sit on what color of chair. Yeah, I will tell later, okay?
But it's red.
Is your voice sticks and stones when you break my bones? Talking loud, nothing much. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, wreck the shell, you take away. Far away.
Sit down, yellow color.
Yellow chair!
Oh, you win!
Yay!
Thank you. Thank you, Eunice. Eunice, right?
No, I'm here.
Okay. Oh no, wait, select your yeah?
Hey, Rashid.
Hello! And then,
Hi, Rashid.
Hey, naman.
What do you want? This one?
Mask. Bigyan mo siyang mask daw, mask.
mask.
What do you want? No, for now, give the mask.
Next time, mami, next time. Si ate nag-win. Bibigyan ni ate yung prizes, eh.
Okay, take picture, ma'am. Ma'am, where's your mom?
Here.
Si daddy niya.
Okay, take picture.
Mama, picture na. Picture sa winner.
Ma'am, dapat tutukin mo na. Upo ka dito, ma'am. Tapos, pupunta ka dito, ma'am. Upuan mo siya habang hawak ng balon. Sino na makatapos mamupo? Siya ang mananalo. Ma'am, I'm on 50. Ma'am, okay ulit po. Upo ka lang dito, ma'am. Tapos, susundan mo siya. Yung susundan ko po to. Oo. Dito mo lang.
70 kilos ako ba? 70 kilos. 78. By weight lang. Kumuna ako pa po sa
Ready na! Clear, ma'am, ha? Clear. Ma'am, clear sa inyo, ha? Ang puputok sa balon mo, si Kalbal. Pagkalo dito yung balon, upo ka.
Para yung glass, siya na lang. Siya na lang.
Yung sanga?
Wala na. Ay, sarap ko. Okay, ako naman ako. Okay,
Ready na ba? Ready na? Okay! Umpisahan natin ang 1, 2, 3, go!
Birthday, Johnny!
Thank you so much, John. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Johnny.
Thank you for celebrating McDonald's for your memories.
Picture kami family.